Hello, friends. Welcome to the amazing world of fruits. Today, we're going on a fun journey to learn about some awesome fruits that are yummy and good for you. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have the mango. It's like the king of fruits because it's super tasty and loved by everyone. Mangoes come in lots of types and colors, but they all taste deliciously sweet. Now, let's talk about watermelons. They're perfect for hot days because they're so refreshing and juicy. And did you know, watermelon seeds are good for you? Yep, they have lots of healthy stuff inside. Next, we have grapes. They're like little flavor bombs bursting with sweetness. You can have them fresh, frozen, or even in yummy juice or jelly. Say hello to the pineapple. It's a tropical fruit with a spiky crown and a tangy sweet taste. Plus, it helps your tummy feel happy because it has something called bromelain. Well, friends, that's all for our fruity adventure today. But remember, there are tons more fruits out there waiting for you to discover. So, the next time you're at the store or the market, why not try something new? You might find your new favorite snack. Until next time, happy munching!